Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if your contacts are not showing up on your MacBook, then keep watching this video because today in this short video I'll tell you how you can show your contacts on your MacBook Pro and Air. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if I show you the contacts application on my MacBook, you can see that the numbers are not showing up here at the moment. So let's solve this problem. So guys, to solve this problem, first of all open the system settings on your MacBook. After opening the system settings, now click on your iCloud account in the left sidebar. Now go to iCloud section and then click on See All. On the next page, find contacts and turn it on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Tap Done. Now go back to the contacts application and see if your numbers are now appearing or not. So you can see that the numbers are now appearing here. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.